Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Salesforce integration with Shopify step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the App Exchange website. In the search bar, type Shopify to find the Shopify integration app. Select the Shopify integration app from the search results. Click on the Get It Now button to start the installation process. Choose the environment where you want to install the app, such as production or sandbox. Review any terms and conditions, then click Confirm and install. Log into your Salesforce account again if prompted. Select users who will have access to the Shopify integration app. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, go to the Salesforce app launcher. Search for and select the Shopify integration app. Now, log into your Shopify account in a new tab. Go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Apps. Click on Visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Salesforce. Select the Salesforce app from the search results. Click on Add App to start the installation process. Authorize access by logging into your Salesforce. Grant the necessary permissions to complete the setup. Once the integration is authorized, go back to your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Shopify integration app. Configure the settings, including product sync and customer sync options. Save your changes and exit the settings. Your Salesforce and Shopify integration is now complete. Test the integration by placing a sample order in Shopify. Check Salesforce to ensure the order data has been synced correctly. Review any error messages if the sync does not occur as expected. Adjust your settings as necessary to ensure smooth operation. With these steps, your Salesforce and Shopify integration is fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.